What if you did everything you ever wanted to do? Do you think your life would be everything you wanted it to be? Or would it be different? I think we should do that. I think we should strive to do everything that we've ever wanted to do. Because why not, right? What's holding you back? What's stopping you? What steps do you need to take to support that vision? What steps do you need to take to get there? Physically, spiritually, mentally, emotionally. How can you arrive? If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more.